I want to share with you guys my experience with these two different metallic, or call it aluminum metallic spray paints. The other day I found out this one on a store, and I thought it would be a good idea to make a little test, since I do a lot of metallic Timothy Ghost engine. As you can see right here, it's a little bit shinier. It's not gonna get you the shiny glossy mirror finish on the plastic. I mean, I try it. Probably somebody might find a way to get these results, achieve it, but I can't. So anyways, what I'm trying to say is I got this other one. It says metallic aluminum, but it is not actually metallic aluminum. It's kind of gray, like the cover. Let's see this right here. And here is what I did. I got this, I painted this other Thomas shell, and this is the result I got. There are some pros and cons. It's not exactly as the results I get with the other brand, with the metallic. And actually I tried, it says metallic silver, but it's the same, because I bought metallic aluminum from this brand, and it's the same color, doesn't change. They just put a different name, because I already tried it several times. It's the same results. So anyways, the good thing about this brand is the paint is kind of a little bit thicker, and it actually it's like it says here fusion. It sticks really good to the plastic, really good. And this one I can get the same results, but I have to use another glossy paint, not primer. And this one you don't need any primer or anything, just the single, I mean just the paint by itself, nothing else. Now let me show you here a little demonstration. Here's what I did before. Here is a sample, let me see, with primer, and this is without primer. Look, it's coming off really easily. This is without primer. But so how I fix this problem is I did put it on my special oven. It's not a regular oven, so I just let it, I just put 2 coats. I didn't finish it because I didn't like the results. I let it stay in the oven for 2 minutes on 200 degrees, and the paint is really sticky to it. Can't get it out. See, I'm doing my best. And probably it's not the same with this spoon, because the spoons are kind of shinier, but anyways, it's good. And this is the pro. The con is that I don't like the result, because I wanted to get this shiny finish, but of course I gotta go to the, you know, here's what they say, this will be your result, and it's clearly what you get. But I thought it say aluminum, and it's not aluminum finish. So on the other hand, the other paint I always use is this one, and let me show you. Right here is with no primer or anything. See, it comes off really easily, no primer. Remember, I use a glossy paint before the aluminum or metallic silver paint, so that way it will stick really good to the plastic. Now here's what I did. I put primer on this, and it's still the same result. It comes off. Primer doesn't work for me, for my plastic. Probably I'm doing something wrong. You correct me if I'm wrong, because I already tried primer and no primer. Look, it's almost the same. So to get the problem fixed, I mean to get the paint stick to the plastic, I always use a glossy white paint. Probably you've seen my videos. I use glossy white paint like this, white, and the glossy is kind of sticks a little bit more than just the plains metallic or metallic silver or aluminum on this brand right here. That's the good thing is it's a little shinier. It's better than the other paint that I wanted to compare. I wanted to try. So this one, it gives you a good result for the Timothy the Ghost engine. So at the end, what I'm trying to say is I want you to, if you're about to paint any model engine, I recommend you to use a gloss paint, not satin, not flat, or it's not gonna work. I'd rather use gloss finish. It sticks really good to the plastic. And don't forget to make sure you got something that says bonds to plastic or fusion or fused to the plastic. But the good thing on this paint is really good. I did not use any other paint, just spray straight from the can, nothing else added to this model. I'm gonna try soon other kind of paints, because this brand is really good. I mean, it's the paint it sticks really good to the plastics, and this is the good thing. Though unfortunately, probably I made it something wrong. I didn't choose the right color, but I try it too, because I just get fooled because it's a metallic aluminum and this one is metallic, and I used to get aluminum, metallic aluminum too. So anyways, so if you guys are about to paint, don't forget, well, it's my preference. You can do either way you want it. If you don't want to model get scratched really easily, add one coat first. I always show you in my videos. One coat first of gloss paint. It could be white or silver, or I mean gray, or any clear color. Even you can use green or whatever, or sky blue gloss, and then you can put metallic silver or metallic aluminum from this brand, Rust-Oleum, and then it will stick really good to your plastic. But I use an oven. It's not a conventional oven. I do not recommend to use the stove to heat and make it bond. I mean, to speed the process, to dry it. Other thing you can do is, now that the winter is gone, you can let it stay in the sun for a whole day. I know you guys want to get your job done really quick, but I recommend you, if you don't want to have any problems, let it rest on a sunlight for the whole day, so it will dry really good and stick really good to the plastic. Okay, I hope you guys found this really interesting and a good info for your next projects. I'm not the expert on this, but this is my experience. And I think there are other brands, but as you may know, it's for us, if we are in a rush, we just want to use spray cans. We don't want to use enamels or airbrush things, blah blah blah. So you get the point. All right, thanks.